You can create packages, gift certificates, and subscriptions to generate a booking code that your clients can use when scheduling appointments. Open the Packages, Gift Certificates, and Subscriptions panel. Choose what you'd like to generate and give it a name. Select the privacy settings. If it's set to public, it's available for all clients to purchase from your scheduler. Private means it's hidden from your scheduler and only available to clients who have the direct link. Unavailable means it's hidden from all clients, though clients can still redeem previously purchased codes. For packages and gift certificates, add a price and enter the expiration date if you'd like to add one. Use the Redeemable For drop-down menu to set the value and decide which appointment types the package or gift certificate can be used for. Then click Add. To create a subscription, add a price and select how often Acuity should charge the client. Enter the number of billing cycles to set how long the subscription charges should continue. Enter a price and the initial setup fee to charge clients an extra fee when they sign up for the subscription. Check the box if you want Acuity to send subscription renewal reminders to your clients. From the Every Subscription Billing Cycle drop-down menu, choose how or if the subscription code should be recharged. Reset the amount resets the value to the full amount but doesn't save unused credit. Roll over remaining appointments resets the value to the full amount plus any unused credit. Leave as is leaves the current value as is. Use this option if you want to set up a payment plan. Use the Redeemable For drop-down menu to set the subscription value. Then decide which appointment types the subscription can be redeemed for. Then click Add. To edit or cancel a client's package, gift certificate, or subscription order, open the Clients panel. From the client list, click the client's name and scroll down to the Orders section. Click View Order for the package, gift certificate, or subscription you want to change or cancel. Click the code. Make changes, then click Update Code. Or if you'd like to cancel it, click Delete, then click OK. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.